In this tutorial, we'll show you the different ways you can create an ad hoc charge in Warehance. An ad hoc charge is a one-time charge that can be added to a customer's bill for things like special handling fees or other extra costs. There are several ways to create an ad hoc charge. First, you can create an ad hoc charge directly from the billing section. In the left-hand menu, go to Billing, then click on Ad hoc Charges and click Create Charge. Here, select the customer you want to charge, then enter the name, amount, description, and date for the charge. Remember, the date you set determines which billing period the charge will be included in. Another way to add an ad hoc charge is directly on an order. To do this, select the order you want to add the charge to, go to More Actions, click on Ad hoc, and enter the charge details. This will link the charge to the specific order for accurate billing. You can also create an ad hoc charge in an inbound shipment. First, go to Inbound Shipments and select the inbound shipment you want to edit. Then, go to the receiving page and create an ad hoc charge by entering the charge details. This will associate the charge directly with that inbound shipment. Finally, you can add an ad hoc charge from the shipment page. Go to Shipments, select the shipment you want to add the charge to, then create an ad hoc charge by entering the necessary details. This links the charge directly to the shipment, so it's included correctly during billing. At the time of billing, any ad hoc charges created within the billing period you run will automatically be picked up and added to the customer's invoice. Thanks for watching.